I have a haul from BeeBeeCraft. They asked if I would continue to do my partnership with them, and I said yes. I love their items. I do have a coupon code with them. It is Nicole10. It'll save you 10% off of your purchase, including sale items. And they do offer free shipping after $25 is in your cart. So just make sure you add enough items to get that free shipping. And they do ship pretty fast. So I placed the order on August 28th and I got it on November 7th. With it coming from overseas, I feel like that's a really, really good turnaround. So let's see what I got this time. I got Halloween items because I'm still in my Halloween era time. I'm just obsessed with Halloween and it's coming up. We are in September. I'm dying in this heat wave in California, but I cannot wait for that fall weather. So I got these little spider appliques. They are 40 pieces for $8.16. You can see they do have like a little shine. They are like a little hairy fuzzy things. So I just thought these were really, really cool. And I don't know if it has the stuff on there to iron it on. I have to go back and look. I think it does, if I remember correctly. So you can just iron these on like little patches. I'm going to use these as layering embellishment pieces when I do some of my Halloween crafting. So 40 pieces for $8.18. Oh my gosh, these, I was so excited that I saw on their website. You get 20 pieces for $8.79. They are just so cool. They glow in the dark. I call them like little dancing skeletons because they jiggle. But you have the head, the body, the arms dangle, the legs dangle, the feet dangle. You can also cut these up and just use them for pieces if you wanted to. Like you could just cut right here at the loop and just use these as little body pieces that glow in the dark. I think they're so, so cool. I want to see if these will fit into these Dollar Tree pill boxes. I am hosting a Halloween swap, so check out my channel. I'll link it in the description box so you guys can go check that out. So I'm wondering if they will fit in here. So I'm going to try that so I can go ahead and share some of these because I think they are so amazing. And I will leave a link with all of these products. I'll link their website and I'll also leave my coupon code there for you guys in the description box as well. So you guys can go ahead and find everything and check everything out. This was 30 pieces for $7.05. And these are acrylic charms. Really, really cool Beetlejuice. Anybody else super stoked to go see the new Beetlejuice movie? I am so excited. I haven't been to the movies in so long, but I'm actually going to go out with Sunny to go check this movie out. So I want to do a Beetlejuice chunky charm. I was also thinking about putting a jump ring through here and just putting it on a chain and wearing it to the theater as well. I think would be really cool. Some earrings might be really nice. And I like that they're nice and acrylic. So I feel like they're going to be really sturdy if you want to go ahead and wear as jewelry and you don't have to worry about them breaking. So I thought that was pretty awesome. And I did get another one. Let's see. This was $10 10 pieces for $3.50 that I thought would match nicely. So I think these are like an acrylic too, but just different. Like these are shiny and glossy, and these are just a matte. So you get little poison bottles. I thought those were pretty awesome right there. So really happy with those. But yeah, I don't think they're a wood. They might be a painted wood, but I think they're also an acrylic. In the description box of all these items, it'll go ahead and tell you what they are made out of. So you can just go check that out in case you wanted to know. So 10 pieces, $3.50 for those. This I'm gonna have to do a whole video on. It was $10.96, and I think it made a box. I don't even remember anymore. I should have looked again. I think it was like a little open box stand, if I remember correctly. So I'll do a whole tutorial on how to go ahead and put this together once I get that going. You guys know how much I love Disney. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. So when I saw these, I just had to go ahead and get them. So these were $7.64 for 10 pieces. I love when items come in their own little storage case. It just makes it so much easier for me. And I do eventually want to do a whole Jack Skellington little Halloween project. So I was like, let me go ahead and snatch these while they're still available. So that way I could just start building that little stash. So that's what these look like. So half Pumpkin King, half Jack. It does have a large hole right there. So I am pretty sure that these will fit on the Pokie tool. That it does. Let's try our beadable pin here. And it fits there also. Awesome. So I can definitely do both with these. So really stoked about that because I love making Pokie tools and beadable pins. Anytime I can use beads, I am just like one happy crafter. And let's see, $6.43. So I was thinking I can make bows out of these. I want to see if I could go ahead and die cut these and turn them into bow. They're like little faux leather pieces. If anybody else has any idea what I can do with these, please let me know down below in the comments. So here are our little sheets right here. Let me grab my ruler. Okay, because I cannot remember what the size was on these. So this comes in at like 8.5 by 6.5. So we have black glitter, orange glitter, oh, a chunky black glitter. So you can see the difference between the two. This one's fine, this one's chunky. Got a little zigzag, some candy corn, some bats, pumpkins, skulls and crossbones, and some orange. I'm wondering, I haven't done it before, but I'm wondering if I could Mod Podge some paper back here, and then that way I can make it into a cover for a possible little junk journal. So I might have to give that a go and see if I can actually do that. So that might be something else. Like I said, I really wanted to make bows, but I'm always open to different ideas that you guys have. So if you guys have any ideas what to do with these little like fake leather pieces, please let me know down below in the comments, so that way I can maybe possibly make that video. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Like I said, I'll leave a link to my coupon code. I'll link all these products. I'll also leave a link for my Halloween swap, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.